Next question. For the lab, what is the halacha of walking a guest out?
That's very good. I have this one of the 613 mitzvahs is agla rufa, right? So it's a calf that you have to break the head, like take an axe and break the head. So why do you have to break this poor animal? So and it's actually from Talmud Sota, like very end, like the last few pages. So they explain when they found a dead body between two cities, right? And they do not know like who killed the person, so they have to call the Beis Din, like Sanhedrin, the main Sanhedrin, and the rabbis have to come. I don't remember, like 10 of them, I think, or 7, like I think different opinions, and they have to measure distance to the town and see like to which town this person is closer, even though it's obvious that to this town it's 3 miles and to that town it's 10 miles. They still take a rope and measure, and then the sages from that town comes and they break the head of this calf, right? And they wash our hands, and we said we did not do it. And Talmud says, whoever suspected this, the sages, that they killed somebody, like the holiest people, right? Nobody says, well, why did they say they did not do it? And Talmud explains that they did not do it, meaning what? That we did not see that this person came into our house, or into our town, and we did not provide him food, like we did not provide him lodgings. Nobody escorted him, because if we would notice the guest, of course we have to ask him, how are you, like you have a place to stay, you have food for Shabbos, like, or in general food, right? So there were no stores, like, I mean, there was like a store, but not in the villages, right? Not in small towns. Everybody have their own provision. So meaning what? So if we would give food to that person and walk him, right, the distance, meaning this, he would not be killed, right? So people like these robbers, right, would see the escort, so like they would not attack him. Understand? So in some sense, because this person or the town people, they ignored this guest and did not escort him, so that's what happened, right? So from this we have tradition, of course, we learn from Avraham Avinu to walk our guests. So if we're talking about minimum, so minimum pass your door, like pass your territory, like 4 steps. Like 4 steps, it's 4 amos. I don't know how many steps, so it's like approximately 7.5, 8 feet, plus minus, and in meters it's like less than 2 meters, plus minus, right? So 5 steps, 6 steps, I don't know, that depends on the person, how many steps. That's a minimum. So if you want to walk a little further, maybe like if they, for example, not on Shabbos, if they're going to take bus, so walk them to the bus station, right? Or they're taking a train or something, so drive them or walk them to the train station, like to the next safest place. If they have a car, so you can walk them to a car. Right? So that's but minimum 4 amos, like this 7 feet.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.